I have it. It's over here. Ma'am, unlock the car and step out. I am not asking you. I am telling you, step out of the car. Do you understand me?
Okay, so am I being...
If you do not step out of the car, I will break this window and I will drag you out of the car. Do you understand?
So now you're threatening...
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, okay?
You just told me that you're going to...
Unlock the car and step out. Do you understand what I am telling you?
Yeah, hold on.
Ma'am, don't turn this into something that it doesn't need to be, okay? If you step out and you cooperate with us, we'll cooperate with you. If you do not, you're going to go to jail.
Unlock the car and step out of the car, now.
On May 30th, 2025, in Indian River County, Florida, a traffic stop for an unrecognized vehicle tag ended in arrest, 4 criminal charges, and 12 months of probation.
That's why it was so dark. Is that Florida?
I'm not sure. That's all it reads.
Tell me. 2103, show me how it's like. 2340.
2102. Show me traffic on this vehicle, Huntington Place.
Copy. 21, I'll be 1012 with him. Copy.
How you doing?
Hello, sir.
Deputy Lowe with the Sheriff's Office, okay?
Yes, sir.
Reason for the stop. What's up with that tag? What tag is it?
That's the DOT, Department of Transportation tag, sir.
Do you have a tag for the vehicle?
Yes, so that is a tag for the automobile.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license and registration for the vehicle?
Give me my ID, sir.
Okay. Do you have proof of registration for the vehicle? There's no state for that tag. It's not coming back to anything, so that's why I'm asking.
Here's my identification, sir.
Okay, that's a passport card. Do you have a driver's license? What's that?
That is my identification.
Do you have a driver's license out of Florida or any other state?
No, I'm not
Registration or insurance for the vehicle?
Tim. Stop her.
Yeah, no. So you don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have my identification here. Presented to you, sir. My identification.
That's not a driver's license though.
So you have your body cameras on, sir?
Huh?
You have your body cameras on?
Yes, I do.
I don't see any red lights.
It's recording.
I just want to make sure.
Okay. What I'm gonna have you do is turn the car off.
So what is my automobile for?
What's that?
Why do I need
Because I'm gonna have you step out, okay? You don't have a driver's license. You're not allowed to be operating the vehicle, okay?
what am I going to be stepping out for?
What's that? Because we're gonna have a conversation in the back of my car.
Okay, so I'd rather have a conversation here because am I under custodial arrest, sir?
What's that?
Am I under custodial
Right now you're being detained. You understand?
Okay, so what am I being detained for?
Operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license.
This is an automobile, sir. It's not signed, I'm not signed with any contract with
I don't know what that means, okay?
Okay, so you don't know what the DMV is?
Dan, go over here. We're gonna pull. What's your first name?
Okay, so am I being under custodial arrest?
Roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window all the way so we can talk.
Okay, so I'd rather not for my safety.
What's that?
I'd rather not for my safety. I can hear you.
Ma'am, you have to get out of the car, so go ahead and shut the car off and step out. You're not producing any of the required documents that you're supposed to have?
Right, so I can show you some documents.
I need a Florida registration.
Okay, so I'm presenting to you my ID, sir.
Okay.
Listen,
Here.
I'm not.
Let me have that. Let me have it. Ma'am,
To you, my ID.
it doesn't work that way, okay? I need your ID so I can run it.
Okay, so here's my ID, sir.
Okay, now do you have a valid registration?
Okay, so I have a bond for this automobile.
What's that?
I have a bond for this automobile. My paperwork on that.
Okay.
My paperwork.
Yes, I need your paperwork and I need your insurance. Okay?
So my paperwork is this.
All right.
Move those suddenly to my paperwork.
All right, go ahead. Just keep an eye on her.
Any weapons or anything inside the car?
No, sir.
Okay, well, I'm not going to have you dig through a bag right now. I'm telling you to unlock this car and step out. Do you understand me?
Sir, I'm getting my paperwork. He just asked me for my paperwork.
What paperwork?
2104, show me over it. 2104, show me over
I know. I have my stuff here.
What are you trying to show me? Ma'am, what are you trying to show me? The only documentation I need to see is your vehicle registration, your proof of insurance, and your Florida driver's license. You showed me a passport ID. Okay. Your tag comes back to nothing.
You didn't present anything to me. Do you have a Florida identification card or a Florida driver's license? I'm sorry? Okay, why is that?
Because that was rescinded. That was rescinded, yes, sir.
Have you ever had one?
Voluntarily. By the way, not a sovereign citizen, so please don't classify me as such. I know you guys have some sort of code terms that you guys use. Never claimed to be. So please don't pick me with that.
Right now you're operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, okay?
Can you put me on a welfare check?
I don't know what...
I'm gonna move my bag here. I don't want to
And US1.
put the light, I don't want to make any sudden movements. I just want you to know what I'm gonna do. Put my bag.
Go ahead. Why are you pulling in here? Do you live in here?
I reside here at the moment. Well, I'm domiciled.
So, ma'am, what is this supposed to be? I'm sorry? What is the... What does that mean? Where's the... So, okay, so this is not... So where's the registration for the vehicle? Okay, so you understand that by the Florida state statute, you need a registration, okay? And you also need a Florida driver's license or your driver's license from another state. You understand that, correct? What is there not to understand? You're operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay, so you're responsible for knowing the laws. What identification? No. You are required to provide a driver's license. I have it. It's over here.
Ma'am, unlock the car and step out. I am not asking you. I am telling you, step out of the car. Do you understand me?
Okay, so am I being...
If you do not step out of the car, I will break this window and I will drag you out of the car. Do you understand?
So now you're threatening...
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, okay?
You just told me that you're going to...
Unlock the car and step out. Do you understand what I am telling you?
Yeah, hold on.
Ma'am, don't turn this into something that it doesn't need to be, okay? If you step out and you cooperate with us, we'll cooperate with you. If you do not, you're going to go to jail.
Unlock the car and step out of the car now.
So
I found the car.
Stand right back here in front of my hood. So let's try this again. Do you have a driver's license issued in the state of Florida? No.
No,
She
I don't
does,
have
but
it.
it's suspended. Same with the
Well,
car. The car's
That
registration.
was surrender, sir. So
Okay.
that was voluntary.
It says
I
suspended,
understand that. That
but
was
you also
voluntary.
have no insurance,
Okay.
and your registration was
So
canceled.
the driver's license was surrendered voluntarily. So I understand that's probably how it looks in the system.
Mhm.
But I also have paperwork for that, but that's back in my car. So
Okay.
showing that I have my driver, I went to the DMV and I surrendered that voluntarily. I have my paperwork.
Because it was suspended.
Right. So
That's why you
I
suspended.
understand that's
So you
what it
realize
says in the
you
system.
know you don't have a license and you're driving. All right. Your car's not insured and it's not registered. All right. And you can't drive like that in the state of Florida. All right.
So
Your vehicle is going to be towed,
Do me a favor.
and he's going to write you some tickets.
So why is my vehicle being towed?
because it cannot operate on the roads in the state of Florida. It doesn't have insurance and is not registered.
So who is ordering the vehicle to be, my automobile to be towed? Who is
Man, we are law enforcement officers of the state of Florida. We enforce the laws of the state of Florida. That's the rules here. If you don't want to abide by the laws, man, that has nothing to do with us. Okay? And we're
You done with your phone call? Who are you talking to on your phone call?
I'm talking to a family member.
Okay.
Sir.
Put the phone on top of this hood.
Okay, so sir, why do I have to put my phone?
Okay, because
on
right now
him?
you're being detained, okay? You're not listening. We're not going to play this game, alright? Let's go.
Okay. I'll just.
Pocket. Have a seat. What up, what up?
Yeah, her car's been.
I'm not playing this game. She's going.
She knows her driver's license is suspended too. So
2102 adult female 1014. What were those papers that she handed you?
Just make sure.
Dan, can you stay with her real quick, please?
Make sure you leave Miranda. So it has her name on there. So it's not that she's. Well, you have to confirm that's her name.
Huh?
Okay. Is it Antonia? Okay. Yeah. So she provided.
Is that the name that was on her, that little ID she gave you?
She gave y'all ID?
Passport identification
Oh.
card. So she knowingly is driving without a license. Okay. Before I ask you some questions, I'm going to read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have your lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering anytime you speak with a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I don't understand.
Yes or no? Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Well, I'm not waiving any of my rights, sir.
I can't hear you.
I'm
What?
not waiving any of my rights, sir.
I'm asking you yes or no. Do you understand what I just read to you?
So I understand what you're saying, sir.
Okay, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
All right. So what was her name?
Her name is Antonia.
Antonia. Okay. So my Antonia is gonna go to jail today. Okay.
Where's she gonna be? Why is she going to jail, sir?
She does not have a valid license, and she has knowledge of that. And her vehicle is also not insured, and it's not registered either.
Isn't
Doesn't she doesn't even have a license. Her license was
Suspended.
surrendered.
It's suspended.
Her license was surrendered before all of that right there anyway.
Right, but you understand that you don't need to have a physical license for your license to be suspended.
This is your wallet.
Yes,
It's going to be coming with you. Your wallet and your phone is going to be coming with you, okay? Your car is being towed.
Okay, so
Okay, ma'am. In order to operate the vehicle, on the roads in the state of Florida, you need to have a valid Florida driver's license. Okay, so that's why she's going to jail, because she does not have one, and she has knowledge that she does not have one.
No insurance on the vehicle either.
And there's no insurance on the vehicle, and she doesn't even have a tag on the vehicle.
Tag.
It's a tag that is not recognized in the state of Florida. Okay, so she'll be booked into the Indian River County Jail tonight.
The stop itself was legally clean. Florida Statutes Section 320.02 requires every motor vehicle operated on state roads to be registered. When a tag returns no information in law enforcement databases, that is a documented legal deficiency, and it is enough to justify a stop under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1968. The driver offered a passport card instead of a driver's license. That is an identity document, not a driving credential. Florida Statute Section 322.03 is unambiguous. No person shall operate a motor vehicle in this state without a valid driver's license. A passport card satisfies 0 elements of that statute. The driver stated on camera that she was not a sovereign citizen. Sovereign citizen theory holds that private automobile travel does not require a license. Every U.S. court that has examined this argument has rejected it, without exception. Florida law applies to every operator on a public road, regardless of how the driver characterizes the nature of their travel. When the deputy ordered the driver to exit the vehicle, that order was constitutionally grounded. In Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, 1977, the Supreme Court held that officers may order a driver to exit during any lawful traffic stop. That rule requires no additional justification. Refusing a Mimms order is not a legal argument, it is resistance. The companion case, Maryland v. Wilson, 519 U.S. 408, 1997, extended the same rule to passengers. Both occupants of this vehicle were subject to lawful exit orders. The driver's license was confirmed suspended, not misplaced, but legally suspended, meaning her authorization to operate on public roads had been revoked by the state. Florida Statute Section 322.34 governs this. A suspended license is a legal status, not a physical card. You do not need to hold the card for the suspension to apply. The vehicle was towed under Florida Statute Section 322.26. When a driver knowingly operates a vehicle on a suspended license, law enforcement has the authority to impound it. No registration and no insurance left no legal basis for that vehicle to remain on the road. Miranda was administered correctly before any custodial questioning, consistent with Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966. The driver invoked her rights. The deputy stopped questioning. That is how it is supposed to work, and in this case, it did. The resisting without violence charge was supported under Florida Statute Section 843.02. The statute applies when a person resists or obstructs an officer without physical violence. An extended refusal to comply with a lawful exit order across several minutes falls squarely within that definition. Deputy Lowe receives a B+. The stop was legally justified. The Mimms order was properly issued. Miranda was timely and correctly honored. He warned the driver that the window would be broken before any force was attempted, and he maintained control throughout without physical contact. Minor deductions for allowing the standoff to run longer than tactically ideal. The driver, Antonia, receives a C. She drove knowing her license was suspended, without registration, and without insurance. Refusing the exit order added a resisting charge on top of the existing violations. Credit where it is due. She exited voluntarily before force was used, she communicated her movements before acting, and she properly invoked her Miranda rights. Those choices prevented a worse outcome. This encounter contains 5 principles that apply well beyond this case. They are worth knowing before you find yourself on the side of any road. Lesson 1. An unrecognized tag is a valid basis for a stop. You do not need a confirmed violation. Reasonable, articulable suspicion is enough under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. If your tag cannot be identified, an officer has the legal authority to pull you over. Lesson 2. A passport card is not a driver's license. Florida Statute Section 322.03 requires a valid driver's license to operate a motor vehicle. No other identity document, passport, passport card, or otherwise satisfies that requirement. Lesson 3. A Mimms order is not optional. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, established that officers may order any driver out of a vehicle during a lawful stop. Refusing that order is not a legal defense, and as this case shows, it can generate a separate criminal charge. Lesson 4. License suspension is a legal status, not a physical condition. You do not need to possess the card for the suspension to be in effect. Florida Statute, Section 322.34, makes driving with knowledge of a suspension a chargeable offense. Lesson 5. Invoking your Miranda rights once you are in custody is always the right call. The driver did this correctly. She declined to answer questions. The deputy stopped asking, and nothing she said afterward was used against her. That was one decision in this entire encounter that went the right way. If you found this analysis useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal breakdowns of police encounters. Leave your questions or case suggestions in the comments below. We read every one of them.